Economics for grade 12 silapha ku paper 2 under the dynamics of markets sijonge perfect market, but now namhlanje funa sijonge what we call profit maximization, which is now how do we maximize profit. So sizoyijonga siyenza through a diagram, and then obviously ukuze sikwazi ukwenza le diagram yethu it's whereby sizaba na two curves, i-curve ye-total cost ne-curve ye-total revenue. Then lesiyenza apha sifuna ujonga on how do we maximize the profit on our market, kwi-perfect market, right? Then siyenza through le diagram yethu. Then now the diagram yethu on our vertical side, that's whereby we measure the revenue and the cost. And then on horizontal side, that's whereby we measure the number of units produced or sold, which is now the quantity. Then you can see our phakathi these two curves, the total cost, the total revenue. But before siye pha kwi-diagram, ndifuna si-understandane. Qale siyazi uba yintoni qala i-cost, iyintoni i-revenue. Then from there siza kwi-diagram yethu. I-cost, I can say, imali oye uyispende in the production of goods and services. Meaning now zii-expenses zakho wena producer, imali oyispendayo xa uzokwazi uproducer goods and services. It is the money spent when you are producing the goods and services. Basically cost zii-expenses ukuze ukwazi ukhupha the final goods and services, right? And then now kwalapha kwi-cost sine-variable cost, apha kwi-cost sine-variable cost sibe ne-fixed cost kwalapha kwi-cost. Then now xa sidibanisa i-variable cost sizidibanisa ne-fixed cost, zizawusinika ntoni phaya? Zizawusinika what you call a total cost, right? Then nakumbuzo ngoku, yintoni i-variable cost, iyintoni i-fixed cost? I-variable cost imali nayo, it is the amount of money oye uyispende in the production of goods and services. But yohluke ngantoni yona i-variable cost? I-variable cost imali oyispendayo, but it is a changing amount of money that you spend. It changes due to the changes of the outputs produced. Meaning, the more you produce goods and services, it is the more you'll spend money on the variable cost. Now, if variable cost, it depends on the outputs of goods and services produced. Zezimali ezitshintsha-tshintshayo, ayizizo imali ezi-fixed, ziyatshintsha-tshintsha. Zitshintsha-tshintsha in terms of the number of units produced, right? And then now, yintoni, what are the fixed costs? I-fixed costs, the unchanged expenses, right? Meaning now, imali ozoyispenda in the production of goods and services, but that money remain the same regardless of how many products produced. Whether you produce 0 item or produce 2 items, but you'll be paying the same amount under the fixed cost. Meaning now, it does not change regardless of how many items produced, but you only fixed the variable cost, it depends on the output produced. The more you are producing the items, it is the more you have to pay the variable cost. Then now, how do we then get the total cost? That's whereby we have to add the figures of the variable cost with the fixed cost. Then they will give us the total cost, right? So i-cost basically yimali oyisebenzisayo in the production of goods and services. Mandibuya again, sinikezane let's give us umzekelo of these two. Maybe if you talk about the fixed cost in the production of goods and services, maybe you can mention the rent cost, right? Obviously, if you are running a business, you must have a property whereby you'll be running your production of goods and services. Meaning now, kula property layer, you are paying a rent, of which a rent is under the fixed cost, regardless of how many units you produced, but you have to pay the rent amount, whether you produce zero, whether you produce less, meaning whether we are money customers or our money customers, or producing or producing, but you must pay the rent cost. Meaning now the rent cost falls under the fixed cost. Then the variable cost, yona, it is the amount of money ozoyibhatala depending on the outputs produced. For instance, let's say the electricity cost or the water cost. Let's say your business oyiranayo is using electricity, meaning the more you are producing these items, it is the more you'll be paying the amount for electricity. Meaning, whereby you have produced zero items, you'll be paying zero cost for electricity, right? Because you have produced zero. But if you have produced zero items, still the batala is fixed cost, right? Then now size revenue. What is meant by revenue? Revenue, you can say income, amount of money that you received after you have sold goods and services, right? Then now, how do we then receive revenue? Revenue siyifumana njani? Sizawuthatha le mali esiyifumeneyo, which is now after we have sold goods and services, le mali esiyifumeneyo yonke, and then we minus cost, and then la mali ishiyekileyo, the remaining amount, if ever there is a remaining amount, the remaining amount yintoni leya? Yi-income. But now funeka size apha kwi-total revenue. How do we get total revenue? Total revenue total revenue sizawuthi price times quantity, which is price times units produced times quantity. Meaning now, for us to get the figures of the total revenue, we say the price times quantity. So the price times the number of units produced, right? Then we come back to our diagram. Sithe apha sifuna ukubonisa how do we maximize the profit in the perfect market. Before size up, surely for us to see if ever sikwazi ukwenza more profit, meaning between these two curves, i-curve ye-total revenue must be above the curve ye-total cost. Then if kunjalo, that's why by South we have managed to maximize the profit only because the curve of the total revenue is above the curve of the total cost. And then if we say senze i-loss le-business yethu, that's why the curve of the total cost is above the curve of the total revenue. Meaning lena i-TC curve, if ever ingehla kune-curve ye-TR, that's whereby senze i-loss. Then if ever lena i-curve ye-TR above i-curve ye-TC, that's whereby senze ntoni? I-profit. Then if ever ziyadibana, they intersect kwindawo eyi-1, these two curves, yintoni leyo? That is a normal profit, meaning there is no loss, there is no profit, because both of these two curves, they intersect kwindawo eyi-1, ziyadibana, ayikho loss, ayikho profit. It's called a normal profit, right? Then size ke ngoku le diagram yethu. The diagram yethu, as you can see, above we have the revenue and the quantity. You can see the curve for ETR, which is now revenue, starts from 0, from the left side, from 0 goes up, right? Then now we have the second curve here, total total cost. This curve yona, it doesn't start at 0. It started just before 10. Remember, since costing up and say 10 rand. It starts just before 10, right? 10 under how many units? 10 under 0 units. Why? It's because sithe i-total cost yethu, rather i-total cost yethu, yes, yenziwa yintoni? Yi-variable ne-fixed cost. Meaning now, even though we have produced 0 item, but we have paid money for intoni? For i-fixed cost zethu. Ngoba sithemba phaya i-fixed cost yona sizoyibhatala laa mali regardless of how many units we have produced. As you can see, our curve for TC starts just below, just before 10, meaning we have paid some amount of money even though it produces 0 items, right? Then now ihambe phaya i-curve yethu, or before siqhubeke. So as you can see, meaning from 0 item to 3 items, which is from 0 units to 3 units, the business have made a loss only because you can see the curve for the TC is above the curve for the TR, meaning the business iyaspenda imali eninzi, ispende more on i-cost than that less revenue, meaning the business has made a loss. And then the between from three units going up to 4, going up to 8 units, the business have managed to maximize profit. As you can see, the curve for the TR is above the curve for the TC. Meaning now, i-curve total cost ingezantsi une-curve yantoni ye-TR. Meaning now, sikwazile umaximizer i-profit because there's a distance here between these two curves. Lena ingenhla ye-TR, ingezantsi yantoni ye-TC, right? And then apha ku-point C, rather point 8, you can see phaya ziyadibana these two curves, idibene i-TC ne-TR, meaning apha the business ayikwazanga ukwenza i-profit, ayikwazanga ukwenza ntoni? I-loss. Ngoba kutheni? Both of these two curves, they intersect kwi-point e-1, meaning the business yenze i-normal profit, abenzanga loss, abenzanga profit. And then again, beyond, which is after 8 units, you can see but i-curve ye-total cost again is above the curve ye-total revenue, meaning now le business lena yenze intoni? I-loss. Ngoba i-curve ye-TC ingehla kune-curve yantoni? Ye-TR, meaning they'll spend more money than the money abatheni abayi-receive, because the total cost is above the curve of the total revenue. Over step total cost is the money that you spend in the production of goods and services. Total revenue is the money that you have received after you have sold the goods and services. So basically, this is how you draw and explain the diagram under the perfect market. Ubonisa khona the profit maximization, meaning now how did the business manage to make profit, is whereby the TR curve is above the TC curve.